Good morning students. We are going to discuss about the colligative property. The property of the solution which depend only on the number of solute particle, not the nature of solute. That means we can say which type of bond is present in solute molecules. It is not necessary. It is not important. Okay. Uh, this will be colligative property. There are four important colligative property. First one will be relative lowering of vapor pressure. Relative lowering of vapor pressure. Second, elevation in boiling point. Elevation in boiling point. Third one will be depression in freezing point. Depression in freezing point. Fourth one will be osmotic pressure. Okay, osmotic pressure. Now we will discuss every property one by one. First we see relative lowering of vapor pressure. Okay. First we see relative lowering of vapor pressure. First we know what is relative lowering. First of all we know about the Raoult's law. Vapor pressure of the solution is directly proportional to the mole fraction of the solvent. Okay, now it will be written as in the form of PA equal to PA P naught A into XA. Okay, and del P will be P naught A minus PA, change in vapor pressure. Okay, and we use delta term for slightly change. Now we know that mole fraction, the sum of mole fraction XA plus XB equal to 1. Okay, del P equal to P naught A, okay, minus PA equal to P naught A into XA. Okay, del P will be we will take common P naught A equal to 1 minus XA. Okay, now del P we write in the equation in this form: del P A divided by P naught A, del P divided by P naught A equal to 1 minus XA. Now we write del P equal to P naught A minus PA divided by P naught A equal to 1 minus XA. This will be the final equation. Okay, this is known as relative lowering of vapor pressure. Now it will be written in the statement the relative lowering of vapor pressure of an ideal solution containing non-volatile solute is equal to mole fraction of the solute at the given temperature. Okay, this will be the final statement, and you will find del PA equal to P naught A equal to P naught A minus PA divided by P naught A equal to XB. Okay, thank you. In the next video we will discuss about the determination of molar mass of solute from relative loading in vapor pressure. Okay, thank you.